Hello everyone, I will show you how to reset your WordPress administrative login password from MySQL database. First of all, log into your MySQL server. After that, select the database. So we selected the database. Let's see the tables. These are the list of tables. To update or to reset the password, we need to use update query in WP users table, so that update, and we need to set the password user_pass. We use the MD5 my password as the new password for your WordPress login, where user login will be the user that you want to reset the password. Let's say use admin. As you can see, by using this query we can reset the password. The job is complete. You can exit.